vacation day. It's vacation day. And I'm excited. Don't know what time we're leaving. Ooh, that's hot.
Actually.
Yep.
Oh, I look kind of cute. Hey!
I know this.
Welcome. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that like.
No, ma'am. Let's use
It's
on the
not
runway.
Nobody wants to see that.
Okay, bitch. Everybody tell her to shut the fuck up. Everybody say
Tell me what?
Shut the fuck up.
Tell me what? Say it again.
Guys, we landed in Fort Lauderdale.
It's hot.
It's hot and humid, as I expected.
Alright. I guess we got our car.
Being stared at really bad by Cocky.
They're just mad because they don't got it. They don't got the juice.
All of her luggage. And then we're going to top it off. So you know we're from Texas. Oh, Ma, did y'all know this is the master room? And not setting your stuff in the other one? I don't think he knew that. It's quite hidden, actually. Y'all's room's back there.
Right back there?
Yeah. It's pretty nice, actually.
Oh, well, we need to transfer our stuff over.
Oh, there's a pool. Oh, I didn't know. It's kind of big back there. Oh, my luggage. Okay. Bathroom number 1.
No, we need London are taking it.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, they're taking it because they don't want it.
We're taking it? Oh, let's go.
It's hotter in there though.
Okay. This is rude. I'm glad you got my stuff. Y'all, we're switching rooms. Hold on, guys. I have to finish the tour. Room number 3. This is nice, though. Oh my God, look at this. This is nice, though. I see why they want to keep it.
I told Bobby he can still join us in there though because I know he won't be loud.
This is nice. Yeah, you can come in there with us. And then here's Tubby's room. Birthday boy, tomorrow. Oh, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. This is Tubby's room.
He's in there.
This is
Oh,
Tubby's
no,
room.
actually, that Tubby's room deal. Y'all take that one back there?
Yeah.
It's hot back there. Good luck. Let me turn the AC down.
They have instructions. I think it says don't turn the thermostat.
It does?
72
Oh, in the back room?
on the house rules.
Oh, in the back room?
Don't set it below 72 degrees.
I'm glad I only brought shorts.
I get a lot of fish back here.
What's the temperature back here?
Too fucking hot. Close this, it will help. Throw the heat.
Oh my Jesus
Oh,
Christ. That was so bad.
Oh, do you not have a door?
The door right there.
Talk about that.
Oh no. I can
Oh, no, there's a door right there. It's on the... Anyways. Using the seats back there.
You already chose it now. Only thing left now is bunk bed.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me, you kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
My cutie patootie sister.
Are you talking about me?
Yeah, I don't have another sister here on this vacation. Guys, we found these flowers in the back.
I know I look
Floating
like
in the
a
pool.
sister, but I'm not.
Oh yeah, there's mommy in the back. Guys, I think I'm gonna post like the days, not all in one, because I don't think my iPad can take that. I accidentally left my computer at
I
home.
never thought we'd all get dressed and go Chipotle.
Guys, we're at the Ritz. Literally.
Sitting in the middle. You can go either way. I don't know who you're yelling at.
We're at the Ritz, guys. We're at the Ritz. My flower is
as a family.
dead.
Thank you. Hey, babe, when we come back, Mommy's gonna stop right here and pay.
Okay.
It's freezing in here.
I don't mean to see that.
It's nice. Someone is blowing on my phone. I don't know who it is. Me. She's so cutie, guys. Isn't she just the cutest person ever? I'm gonna stop recording first. Like, I'll record when you sit down. It's cold. Thank you.
How's that feeling? How's that? Thank you. How's that feeling,
I
Dad?
think it's probably fine. I'm fine.
Okay, all right.
Whatever y'all want to do, I'm just here.
The ocean.
Dad, you want to sit here or you want me to go?
I'll flip side.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, that, shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know
You know who's calling the shots.
manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I
It
know
wasn't even our beef for real. It's a joke. Nobody took it
They
serious.
might equate to the same thing as dollars. That was 800,000 euros
Guys.
in US dollars.
Now we can go for a fantastic.
I think
sweet
euros.
treat.
I think
Aren't they?
Google that for you, boy, bub.
The food is great.
euros are more than dollars.
Yeah, that's what I
all
thought.
So it's $871.
See?
Yeah, that's too much. They'll come down.
Madrid is the best team, so I can make my friend mad.
Okay, guys. How does it go? We gotta practice it before you practice.
Just ask me, I'll just say no question.
What should we say?
Real Madrid is the best
Who's the
team.
number one player on that? Who's on there? Messi?
No, Messi's I forgot who Messi.
He's an Emirates. He's
Yeah.
Emirates.
Yeah, Real Madrid. Oh, actually, let's keep it simple. Go Real Madrid. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Go
Go
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Thanks, guys.
Sorry, Luna.
It looks like a tummy hurt, and but also
Big backs.
Big bag summer.
Big back summer.
And 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
oh,
Happy birthday, dear buddy. Happy birthday
To you. Before the wind Thank you so much.
Awkward.
A few moments later.
Who's the biggest back here?
no, it's not me.
Say I. Dearest mother, I would love to embark on the adventure that is
Four Seasons of Orlando.
Four Seasons of Orlando is crazy.
With the magnificent
with the amazing
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Bippy.
That's higher than fucking Perrysville.
Bippy.
Spaghetti.
Get my sibling out. Meow.
No,
Oh, it's got
you cannot
here.
get rid of us. We will hunt you. You sleep. Make haste.
Make haste. Yeah, it means
Make
no.
haste.
No, make haste means like hurry up.
We must make haste.
You must make haste. It's time to go, y'all.
Make haste.
Make haste. It's about time to go.
I'll try. YOLO. That way? Johnny was.
Johnny was.
Yeah, Johnny was everywhere.
We must keep it family friendly.
Why are you yelling at me?
I will be calling an administrator on you if you don't tighten up.
All right, 12-year-old.
Okay, tween.
Okay, Jin. What is it? Alpha? Yeah. Okay, we'll
It's
see
the
you guys in the
alpha,
car
the
because
omega,
this is awkward
everything
kind of
in-
holding this. Mom.
Watch your step.
Yeah, let me not fall.
Watch your step. Hold on now.
That would be quite tragic. I fear. The lighting's good right here.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go.
The camera's about to die.
Uber driver.
Oh, there's a giant gecko in our room. We've seen it outside. I need to move my suitcase.
It's behind the TV.
I will cry.
What are we supposed to do?
Girl,
It's behind the TV.
it's behind the TV.
It's big.
How do you get in?
I don't know.
I don't
Open the
know.
door. Pull those shades up. Open the door. Where is it? Where's it at?
Behind the TV?
Yeah.
I need something to grab it with. It on the wall.
Yeah. You see it?
What?
Oh my god, did it go in my suitcase?
What do you mean?
Oh, it's right there. Look, it's just
Oh,
it's on the wall right
It's on
there.
the wall. It's just
You see it? It's on the. You see on the equipment. On the
Yeah, because wasn't it just crawling out here?
Yeah.
How it must have got in through here then.
How?
I
Where's
don't
it at?
know.
I have to open the door.
But how did it get through the...
I don't know. That scares me.
That scares me.
Because how did you get in
that
there?
scared me. We're gonna take it back to Texas.
Is it out?
No.
It's behind the TV, laying against the wall.
Okay guys, we're back home. And that is the end of the day. Oops. The end of the vlog, because I'm going to do them day by day. Because I didn't bring my computer to edit all of this on the whole trip. So, end of day one. We'll see y'all tomorrow for Bubby's birthday.